Na chama cha walinzi wa kibinafsi sasa kimetoa wito kwa kampuni za walinzi wa kibinafsi kufuata agizo la Mohamed Fazul la kutekeleza malipo ya mishahara ya shilingi 30,000. Kulingana na katibu wa chama hicho Isaac Kandabwa, alisisitiza kwamba washikadau wote wanafaa kushirikiana na serikali ili kuhakikisha mabadiliko hayo mapya yanatekelezwa ipasavyo.
Be in record that our union and the workers fully support Mr. Fazul Mohamed quest to improve the wages guidelines for the cadres working in the sector. The union view recent pronouncement in Cassette Notice Order Number P Esra A 005/2023 as a breather to private security officers whose purchasing power has been for a long time eroded and frustrated by frequent rise of essential commodity prices in the market. Going forward, we implore the CS for Ministry of Labor to embrace this move by the CEO, Private Security Regulation Authority, and put in law the initial changes for implementation by employers and the consumers of the services. We further advise other stakeholders to view actions taken by the government, and in particular, Fazul Mohamed, the CEO, positively bearing in mind that the card serving at the gate and other strategic installations of business assignment they are human beings whose rights to decent life is also important above anything else, and it should not be ignored.
Na wakulima wa miwa katika kaunti ya Busia wamekosoa halmashauri ya